the laws and customs of the Republic without any fear, favor, bias,
affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence.
In the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted to me, I will at all times, and to the best of my knowledge and ability, protect, administer, and defend this Constitution
with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You know, sometimes when you get to a place like this, maybe you're not listening to what you said. Let me just let me just paraphrase. I mean, among the four things I heard you clearly say in front of all of us and in front of the people of Kenya. Number one, you swore in the name of God, the Almighty God. I know you're aware the enormity of that solemn commitment. As you write those judgments, and as you consider every issue that will come before you, remember that you swore in the name of God. Secondly, you have sworn to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya. The back of your mind, as you consider all issues, and some of them will be very difficult, just remember that you swore that you will serve the people of Kenya diligently. And I am very confident that going through the rigorous process that the Judicial Service Commission has subjected you in interviews, I have no doubt in my mind that you have what it takes to serve this country with diligence. The third thing that you have told us this morning is that you will be impartial and that you will not be influenced by ethnicity or religion, and that fear and favor and bias and ill will and prejudice will not laze your judgments, that you will always do that which is impartial, and you will not submit or succumb to blackmail, intimidation, or threats from any corner. You have told us that in the exercise of your judicial functions, you will administer, defend, and protect the Constitution of Kenya, always. Remember to administer, but also protect and defend the Constitution of Kenya, because that is the basis upon which we are established as a nation. In the exercise of your judicial functions, you will also mind about the institution of the judiciary, that it will be at the back of your mind that we have an institution called judiciary, a third arm of government, an institution that has a mandate, and that you will ensure that the judiciary is dignified and is respected, and that you will promote fairness, the independence, the competence, and the integrity of the judiciary. I implore upon you, as you discharge your responsibilities, as you consider all the issues that come before you, always remember that you serve in the judiciary of Kenya. We want the judiciary dignified. We want the judiciary respected. And we want a judiciary that promotes the values of our nation. And so it is your responsibility, individually and collectively, to ensure that our judiciary is fair, is independent, is competent, and above all, serves with integrity.